Drupal is a powerful open-source content management system used for building websites and web applications. Here's how to use Drupal as a beginner. Installation. To use Drupal, first download and install it on your web server. You can get it from the Drupal website. If you're using a local server, tools like XAMPP or MAMPP can help set up your environment. Set up a website. After installation, access the Drupal dashboard by visiting yourdomain.com/user/login. The first time you log in, you'll be prompted to set up the site name, administrator email, and other settings. Create content. In Drupal, content is created using content types like pages, articles, or custom content. To add content, navigate to the content section and click Add Content. Choose a content type, fill in the necessary fields, and publish it. Customize design. Customize your site's appearance by selecting a theme. Go to Appearance and choose from available themes or install new ones. Customize theme settings to adjust colors, fonts, and layout. Install modules. Extend Drupal's functionality by installing modules from the Extend section. For example, you can add SEO tools, forms, or social media integration. User management. Manage users and permissions by navigating to People, where you can assign roles and control access levels.